Hi Foodsters! Today we are going to be making crunchy on the outside, soft and melt in your mouth inside buttery butter cookies. So let's get into the video. So I have taken here 100 grams of butter. To that I'm adding half a cup of powdered sugar. You can add a few tablespoons more according to your taste. And before mixing it up with an electric mixer, we'll mix it with a spatula because if not, our powdered sugar will be flying everywhere. And now we'll beat it with this electric mixer for around 2 to 3 minutes just to make it fluffy and get some air in there. We'll add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 egg yolk and combine the two really well. Voila! Here comes the magic ingredient. It's none other than milk powder. Yes, you heard it right. I am using milk powder because it makes the cookie ultra creamy, but don't worry, it won't compromise the buttery flavor. And to this, I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of corn flour all combined. We'll add them in batches and mix them until just combined. Now I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of milk so that I'll get the right pipeable consistency, and we'll put this batter into a piping bag fitted with a star nozzle and fill the batter in it, and we can pipe it in any sizes and shapes that you like. Just in case you're wondering about those 2 greasy patches, that was me trying to get perfect circles but failing at it and then being able to do it the next time. So yeah. We are going to bake these beautiful babies at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until the edges are golden brown and the middle is soft and yellow. And let me break it and show to you the inside. It is so buttery and soft on the inside but still crunchy on the outside. So if all you wanted was to learn how to make butter cookies, then bon appetit to you. But if you want, you can keep watching to see a very simple yet beautiful and cute decoration. And we're using none other than white chocolate today, and I'm going to mix in 2 of my favorite colors, pink and blue, just adding a drop of food coloring to each of these. And I'm going to dunk the cookies. Make sure that the cookies have completely cooled down, and we'll dunk the cookies into this chocolate mixture, and we'll add some of that cute heart and pink pearl and I don't know what to call it, sort of sprinkle mix, right? So you can decorate it in any way you want. You can use royal icing, but I personally like white chocolate flavor wise, but you can totally not even decorate it and eat it as it is. Would you just look how cute these beautiful babies are in very subtle pastel colors with some cute sprinkles on them. If you watched already, then you will know that I made these cookies for my chocolate charcuterie board. But if you haven't checked it out, then here's the link for you. So that's it for today, dear Foodsters. I really hope you like this recipe. Please try it out and let me know down in the comments if you liked it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Bon appetit!